Hello everyone. Today we are solving an excellent engineering services examination 2026 electronics and telecommunication paper 1 question. And ESE is one of India's toughest engineering examinations conducted by the UPSC, and questions are designed not only to check your calculation skill but also your understanding of the concepts. An important observation about ESA is that whenever you see a characteristic equation, you immediately think of two things: stability and the pole locations. And today's question beautifully combines both. Now, before solving, let me remind you a golden theory. For a characteristic equation, an s to the power n plus a n minus 1 s to the power n minus 1, and this goes up to a1s plus a0. This is equal to 0. A system is stable if and only if the first column elements of the Routh table are positive. So notice carefully, we don't need to calculate the roots first. That is the beauty of the Routh-Hurwitz creation. Okay. Now, write the coefficients. 1, 9, 45, and this is 87, and this is 50. Now construct the array. This is 1, 45, 50. This is 9, 87, 0. Now calculate the next row. The first element. This is 9 into 45 minus 1 into 87 by, this is 9. So this will be 318 by 9. So this is 35.33. Okay. Now the second element. This is 9 into 50 minus 1 into 0 by 9. So this will be 50. Okay. So 35.33 and 50. Right. Now the next row. First element. This is 35.33 into 87 minus 9 into 50 by 35.33. So what is the numerator? Numerator is 2623.71 by 35.33. So this is 74.27. Okay. Now the second element is 0. So this will be 74.27 and 0. Now the last row. So this is simply 50. Right. So what is the final table? This is 145.50. This is 987.0. And this is 35.33. 50. And this is 74.27. 0. And this is 50. Okay. Now look at the first column. 1, 9, 35.33, 74.27 and 50. Every number is positive, no sign change. So therefore number of right half plane poles will be 0. So the system is stable. Okay. Now find the roots. Now we factor the polynomial. So observe. This can be written as and since, so expand this. gives exactly what? So we can say so first factor, so S is minus 1, double root. And the second factor, so this is so this will be equal to, and the four roots are, okay. So hence the system is stable. So always remember the sequence whenever you encounter a characteristic equation. Write the coefficients carefully, then construct the route table accurately and check only the first column and count the sign changes to determine the right half plane poles, and if asked then find the roots separately. Okay, so this was all about this question.